Excel is one of the best spreadsheet application that you have right now. Now, what I'm going to show you quickly is how to use the if and then statement in Excel. The if and then statement in Excel is one of the most popular statement you have in Excel. So let's begin. I am going to say equal if E6 is or equal to 5, then we are going to say apple. Or if E6 is greater than 5, we are going to say orange. So if we put 5, it says apple. If we put 6, it says orange. If we put 1, it says apple. If we put 7, it says orange. So basically what we are telling what we're telling Excel to do is to say if the number is more than 5, we're going to say orange. And if it is less than 5, we're going to say apple or equal to 5. So if I put 5, apple. If I put 4, apple. If I put 6, orange. If I put 7, orange. So that is basically how the if and then statement works. It's a very simple statement. But if you notice what I did, when I put apple here, I put open and closing quotation, because look, if I had not put the open and closing quotation, look what would happen. You would get an error. So let me just show you quickly. You'd get an error called name. So that's why it's very important that you use open and close quotations. Sorry, I made a little mistake here. Let me correct it. Great.